Molina, live from my incredible acreage listing here at 243 Stagecoach Lane here in very, very beautiful Sharp Hill, just outside of Airdrie in the Rocky View community. And I'm going to come to you with a virtual open house so I can show you this incredible property, 243 Stagecoach Lane, situated on 2.11 acres of incredible land. And we're gonna do a tour. We're starting on the outside. It's an incredible day today to watch a video. This community is pretty cool. It is acreage living, but you also have that sense of community. You're close to all of the amazing amenities of Airdrie. Just to the right of this development is Kings Heights and all of the cool amenities there. So we're heading on into 243 Stagecoach Lane here, just outside of Airdrie in Rocky View, on open house. Okay, so as you enter, you're immediately going to notice the beautiful vaulted ceilings and this incredible space. I'm just gonna kick my shoes off here. So you're gonna have beautiful flooring. The community actually has a 30km/h speed limit, so it's incredibly safe. Beautiful floor to ceiling, fireplace detail. I'm just gonna do a pan here of this incredible custom legacy kitchen. Huge island, beautiful granite countertops, incredible professional grade appliances. So it's the Brigade series. You have a 6-burner gas cooktop, gorgeous hood fan, under cabinet lighting, beautiful, beautiful appliances. This is a double oven, but a speed oven, steam oven, convection oven. It has a lot of bells and whistles. So if you want more information on the appliances, give me a shout. I'm gonna open up this door here because it's pretty special. So if you need pantry space, this option is incredible. So not only is it this, but you can make it even more storage. So on either side, it offers even more incredible storage. So instead of you losing a ton of square footage to a pantry, it's just a really smart design. You also have your beverage fridge, a nice coffee nook, and then also that incredible sunshine that's coming from the east, and just so much privacy. Built-in banquette. Here's the pan from this direction. So this bungalow loft offers just over 2,100 square feet plus a partially developed basement. Right off of the kitchen, you have access to your incredible 2.11 acres of west-facing beautiful land with mature trees, fruit trees, raspberry bushes. You have access down the steps to get right to your backyard. You have your gas hookup, but you also have this little private area down here, so fire pit. The trees are starting to fill in, so you can see that in the summer when you're going to be outside, you have complete privacy. West-facing views on clear days like today. You can see those beautiful mountains. 243 Stagecoach Lane is an absolute beautiful, beautiful opportunity for acreage living, but with all of the amenities associated with living in town or in a suburb, but just so much opportunity. Okay, so we're gonna head to the left and explore the master retreat. The master retreat also has its own private entrance to that upper balcony. The ceilings are incredibly high here as well, so you just get this beautiful amount of space. The ensuite is appointed with beautiful fixtures. Here's your standalone shower, beautiful river rock tile, body spray, rain shower, standalone tub, and your privacy toilet. Plus you have a large vanity with double vessel sinks. And my favorite in this incredible master retreat is this huge walk-in closet. this video doesn't do this justice. This is the size of many rooms you'll find in a detached home. So 243 Stagecoach Lane is offered at $934,900. It's 2.11 acres of beautiful property, sweeping views, west facing. We're heading left still. Here is your powder room / laundry room combo. The cool thing about this area here, there is another bathroom on this level. So this is kind of an extra bathroom. So if you're looking for more of a laundry space, you would have an incredible opportunity to totally build this out as its own laundry room, because you're not really going to be missing out on one less bathroom, as there's two already additional ones on this floor. Now, this home also features an attached triple car garage. It has a gas outlet already so that you can have this heated if you want. Central vac is throughout the entire home. I'm actually just going to go down here. I've had a lot of interest in this property for multifamily living. So right here, you have access to outside your front, but then you also, right here, have access directly to your basement. So if you have an opportunity that you're looking for that requires you to have a little bit of separation, but possibly, you're looking for a mother-in-law suite, or maybe you have a teenager that wants their own space, you have that option at 243 Stagecoach Lane to have that very private separate entrance with direct access to outside right into the basement. So this is a bungalow loft. So here is the loft that's built above the triple attached garage. Beautiful ceiling detail. That light is just streaming in here. It's just flooding the whole property, which is so beautiful. This room is very large. It's a perfect family room. This is also part of the property. We're going to explore that workshop later. But this property just wraps around 2.11 acres of land. All of the details are on my website, taramolina.com/243. I encourage you to take a look, but get in touch with me because there's so many special features of this incredible home. It's really worth taking a tour, and I would absolutely love to give you a tour of this property and show you just how special 243 Stagecoach Lane is. So we're going to look at the other half of the house. I call this the kids' wing. So here's bedroom, one of two on this side. Beautiful views of the property, gorgeous windows, top down, bottom up window coverings, beautiful wood flooring, so much space. Now here is the extra bath that I was telling you about. So the main bath, granite countertops throughout. And here is the second bedroom on this side. Now this kiddo gets the incredible views of the property and west-facing views. So this home also features a partially developed basement. So we're going to head on down there now. So there's over 2,100 square feet of developed space above grade, plus a partially finished walkout west-facing basement. So to the left, you have bedroom number 4. This has been fully built out and ready for use. But then you have all of this incredible space to make your own. Now I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of this basement level because I know a lot of people are interested in making spaces their own. So this would be an ideal location for your washroom, but then you also have this space already framed and ready to go as a 5th bedroom. The cool thing that these clients have done is they bought the extra slabs of granite. So it comes with the purchase of your home, and it will actually be the same. So here's the granite. You'll actually have the same color story throughout your entire home, so the same dye lot. This area, they're using it as a workspace, but it would be an incredible family room. And then you have this amazing cold storage. My grandmother had one of these and I loved it. So you have a cold room, and you'd think, why would I want that in the basement? But for ease, that access door I told you about right here, That's right to the garage. So how easy would it be? Pull your car in, bring your storage items for the cold storage right down, right into there. So this whole space can be set, like totally contained within itself if you need that privacy of multi-generational living. I'm gonna just head out to the lower level here. This home is roughed in already for a hot tub, so if you're looking for a property with a hot tub, there you go. So this is a walkout basement with west-facing views. For all of the details, please check out my website, taramolina.com/243, and get in touch with me so I can give you a tour of this incredible opportunity here in Sharp Hill. So beautiful fruit trees, raspberry bushes, fire pit, just so much opportunity. I'm actually just gonna head on out the back way and head